how to start learning day trading without risking real money. The biggest misunderstanding about trading is thinking it's all about predicting the market. Professional traders don't sit there saying, price will definitely go up. They think in probabilities. They react to what the market is doing in real time. If this happens, they buy. If that happens, they exit. Trading is less about being right and more about managing risk. And this is where paper trading changes everything. Today, traders can practice trading with demo accounts using virtual money while still seeing the real market. You can test strategies, learn platforms, practice entries and exits, understand volatility, and build consistency without risking your savings. Most successful traders spend months practicing before trading real money. The market acts like a mirror. If you are impatient, emotional, or addicted to fast profits, the market exposes it immediately. That's why most beginners fail. Overtrading, revenge trading, using too much leverage, risking too much on one trade. One of the biggest changes in modern trading is the rise of prop firms. Companies now allow traders to pass evaluation challenges using demo accounts. If you prove consistency and risk management, you can access larger funded accounts and split profits with the firm, which means today skill matters more than starting capital. The truth is, day trading is not a shortcut to easy money, it's a skill. And the traders who survive long term usually focus less on profits and more on discipline, patience, and risk management. Because in trading, the goal isn't to win every trade. The goal is to stay consistent long enough for probability to work in your favor. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.